about reggae? Because they was only dealing with
Yeah, man, what you mean if early Rasta used to burn reggae? Early Rasta burn reggae, man. Yeah, man, it's a burn reggae, man. What you talk about? Early Rasta never see reggae music. Because there are certain things that come with reggae music. There are certain levity that come with reggae music. And there were certain ancient spiritual brethren who wouldn't take part in a dance hall. And the reggae music was in the dance hall. We never used to go dance. We are going to go there far. We don't eat there. We don't drink there. We not go look no woman. So we are going to far. You don't come like you come at the people in place to come loaf them and throw you out. So we and furthermore we not dress so nice neither. Because we either walk barefoot or we in a crocus bag or we in a short pants or we eat chaka. And we not have on them perfume. You know, because lime and sibling and seriously we are used. So we don't smell so nice like them. So when we are going to far, unless a trouble we are going to create. So that stay in our corner. Because remember Rasta was before reggae. You know? And you have certain man that maintain certain anciency and certain liberty. But they wouldn't go there. Because there's nothing there for them.
Another wicked them a follow Rastafari and the chant.
At it. Reggae is not Rasta. It's Rasta that sing reggae. But reggae is not Rasta. And the words don't belong to no individual. Even if you sing it, it don't belong to you. Because you could sing about Rastafari in a rap, in a ska, in any other music. So the words don't really belong to just reggae. And reggae is a thing that helps to motivate certain people. Certain people rise up and get good inspiration out of reggae. But on the other side, reggae is the next thing that destroy a lot of I brethren. Like for instance, for I now, who is studying Rastafari from before reggae. Because when I was healing Rastafari, there was no reggae. But I never rise up to reggae. Even when Bob Bunny and Peter were singing about Bend Down Low, who is Mr. Brown in Kaffel, we were already healing Rastafari last night. Before that, so I wouldn't say I rise up to reggae. Reggae, how I say reggae is the food basket of Rastafari. With the message to educate someone to a certain extent, can carry it to, but how far can it carry it? You know, because I rise up in the time where it was just farming. We would have to plant food. And you're going to need some time, you know, something. And then now we get reggae to be the food basket of Rastafari. But within the same cosmic of the old reggae, there was a lot of prostitution going on, there was a lot of drunkard, there's a lot of all kind of bad things surrounding it. So we only gloriful in the words. that coming out of any individual, because a wicked man know righteousness same way, you know. An evil man can tell about Rastafari, but are you living Rastafari? So the words don't belong to no individual. One of the biggest killer in the world can come tell you something great. And you have to accept that, but you still don't accept him. So if a man is bad or evil, and him come and tell you something good, I'm going to take the good, but I'm not going to take the bad. So reggae have done a lot for a lot of ones out there, but it still destroy a lot of ones out there because most one feel like say reggae is wine and dine and prostitution and smoke a spliff and drink a Hennessy and get drunk and wine out and skin out and no. We have to just take the good out of it and leave the bad. So we're gloriful in that same way. You know, we can't dash for reggae. We dash the bad things out of reggae. And the people who is singing good words and living the opposite. Now how you go tell us, say, I feel live love while you are live hate. I will still take the word from you, but I'm not going to take your ways. Because most of the men who sing about Rastafari, them not live Rastafari. Because Rastafari is a way of life. Rastafari is a liberty, and it's an ancient indigenous liberty in the world, but not of the world. You can't be Rasta and have on locks and eat anything, drink anything, do anything, and say yes, Rasta. Rasta is a liberty. And you can't be Rasta unless you hail Emperor Haile Selassie as the Almighty without any apology. That is Rasta, and you have to live the liberty, not just stalk it. So when I look for Rastafari, it's only a handful I see. And I now go judge no one.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.